Chicago's top hospitals are teaming up to bring the best care to patients more quickly. Sarah Saratella is the Director of Communications at the University of Chicago's Institute for Transitional Medicine. She's here to tell you about the Chicago Health Accelerator and explain how it all works. This is so exciting. First of all, $35 million. That is unprecedented, isn't it?
It is a very lovely amount of money. We're very grateful to the National Institutes of Health, their Center for Advancing Translational Science, for that.
So what is this all about? What does this mean for Chicago specifically?
This is great for Chicago because we are working to cut down the 14-year average timeline to get a discovery made in the lab out in the real world helping people.
So this is all the research you hear about. Oh, they're doing research on this, research on that, but it's going to be at least 14 years before it comes to the public. But this is cutting that time down.
Exactly. Several different ways we're doing that. We're taking a SWAT team approach by getting all of the key players at the table involved. So we're getting families partnered with researchers early on to help shape the research because no one's really walked in their shoes. The researchers, we're giving them the funding. We're bringing business folks because they're the experts in getting it into the real world, and also partnering with government like the Chicago Department of Public Health.
And the thing is, you've got the University of Chicago, Rush Advocate Healthcare, Illinois Institute of Technology, and North Shore Healthcare, all working together.
Yes, and Loyola. It's a dream team.
How did you get everybody together like that?
Well, we have some great visionary leadership from Julian Solway, Josh Jacobs, and Sue Cohen, our PIs. But really, this initiative, we all came down and we realized that something needs to change, and we can't do it operating in a silo. There are brilliant people and strengths at all parts of the city, and if we work together, we can do things faster and better and more efficiently so that patients can benefit.
So folks at home who are looking, how do they get involved in this? They ask their doctors or what?
Yeah, they go to chicagoitm.org, which launched today, so they can fill out forms for the disease areas that they care about the most, and we're happy to connect them with researchers who are doing work in that area so they can directly have a role in helping their family and loved ones.
So where does the FDA come into this as far as all these drugs and prescription meds that are being used?
Great question. That's further down the pipeline. So any approved drug has to go through lots of FDA regulations, but we're working to get things done faster on the front end by bringing all of those partners to the table.
One more time, website?
chicagoitm.org.
All right. Thank you, Sarah.